The new Sony Xperia XZ2 has arrived and there is a lot to talk about. So let's see what this new flagship can do. The Sony Xperia XZ2's 5.7-inch Full HD display and borderless design is perfect for playing high-resolution games on in crystal clear clarity. With the new dynamic vibration system, you can now feel the action through your fingertips, taking gaming to the next level. But these good vibrations aren't just restricted to gaming. Feel the impact of your music, movies and video you record yourself, making every moment even more dramatic. But let's go back to gaming. You can link your XZ2 to your PlayStation as well as hook it up to your DualShock 4 controller for completely seamless gameplay. Never before has gaming been this immersive. And with the selfie scan feature, you can create an avatar using a 3D scan of yourself or simply upload it to social media for all your mates to see. Now, when it comes to sound quality, you can always rely on Sony. This is the loudest Xperia smartphone ever, beating the XZ1 by 20%. And with S-Force front surround sound, you can hear your gameplay as well as all your favorite tunes like never before. If you fancy yourself as a bit of a Steven Spielberg, its 4K HDR video recording should be right up your street. At least you're in a filmmaker with videos shot in immaculate quality. And Sony were the first to bring super slow motion camera tech to smartphones to slow everything down to 960 frames per second. That's 4 times slower than the best other smartphones can offer. So while you may not be able to turn the clock back on those amazing moments in your life, you will be able to slow them down to make them even more epic. If you're fed up of those beautiful sunset shots not coming out as they should, the high-res camera means you'll capture stunning photos in the trickiest lighting conditions. And if it's selfies you're into, the 13-megapixel front snapper is a thing of wonder. And like we mentioned earlier, Sony has kicked its 3D creator feature up a notch, so you no longer have to get someone to take a 3D scan of your head anymore. You can do it all yourself. Wondering what the battery life's like? The XZ2 will last you a full day of normal use, and Sony's smart charging technology will keep it going for even longer. What's more, when you pre-order the Sony Xperia XZ2 from Carphone Warehouse, you'll choose between an incredible PlayStation 4 and VR headset. For more information, click the link on screen now.